Now that we know what is Couchbase, let's install Couchbase. Let's see how we can download and install Couchbase in your laptop. Let's get started. Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from Tech Primers. I'm in the homepage of couchbase.com. What you can do is you can go to the download option and you can download the respective version of the Couchbase which we need. So I have just clicked the download option. Let's see what pops up, right? So there are different versions of Couchbase available here. The first one is the server version, the other one is the mobile version. Inside the server version there are two options, the enterprise and the community version. So what I have done is I have just downloaded the community version for macOS because I have Apple laptop here which has macOS. So I have just downloaded this particular version. If you have Windows, you can just select Windows and then just download that. So I have just hit the download option and then I have already downloaded this. Let me open that, right? So I have it downloaded and I have it unzipped. So let's go through the installation process, right? So usually I don't take the video on the installation process, but many of you guys had requested me to do the complete video on how do we install a software and how we can start it up as well. So that is why I am making this particular video, so that I can show you how we can install Couchbase and then we can get it further. So in this particular video we will see how to install Couchbase and how we can get it up and running. There is a readme document here. So meanwhile let this come up, right? So I just went through the readme.txt. It says that okay, we will be able to install Couchbase in the laptop, and by default after the installation the server will be started and we can access it from the browser using the port 8091. So that is what they say you can do. Let's see, where is that? So the server automatically starts after the installation and the web-based console is available at port 8091 default, right? So that's what they say. So hopefully the server should come up after the installation. So what happened to the... It's not allowing me to open, I don't know why. So let's see what is inside this package, right? So what I have done here is I've just started the Couchbase server, right? So I've just double clicked and opened the Couchbase server option here, and then it just started me the server. So I think in Windows you should be able to directly install that particular software, but I think in my Windows, in my laptop, it was not allowing me to open because it was saying that okay, I have it downloaded from the internet, so it was just not allowing me to open it. However, I just went inside the contents and then I have just opened the server. So this is just started. I don't know if this would have started my server instance, right? For example, let's go and see. Oh yeah, it has started, right? So it's just asking me to set up a new cluster or join an existing cluster. So I'm just going to say new cluster. Just provide a cluster name. So let's say I'm going to provide the cluster name as Tech Primers and the admin username as admin. Let's say password, let's say I'm not going to give anything. Okay, it's asking me for a password. It's saying 6 characters is the minimum, so I'm just going to say admin1. So admin1. So I'll just say next. So let me save this. I'll just say accept, finish with default. It says insufficient memory, the requested quota is 2 gig, the maximum allowed quota for the node is okay. It's trying to install some particular node configuration, but we are not able to set it up because I don't think I have enough space in my laptop. I think there is only 100 gig or something which is available, but still I think it should be fine. Let me disable some stuff so that we will be able to save and finish. Let's see what happens, right? Yeah, it has set up the server, so that node is there, and this is the dashboard. So you can add buckets. So if you notice here, when I said we can create buckets, you can create buckets here. So you can literally add these buckets, provide a name for that particular bucket. So let's say I am going to add a bucket called users, so that we can use it for our example. So I'm just adding a bucket called users. I'll just say add the bucket, right? And if you notice here, this bucket is not now created. So it has created a bucket called users with a memory of 1.47 gig, right? You see the RAM usage, and you see the quota, right? The disk used is whatever right now, right? So that is what Couchbase can do. So Couchbase by default provides you a dashboard. Using the dashboard, you can configure the different buckets. You can use the indexes to query. So right now there is no data, so you can create queries. So see, there is no query node found on the server, and the only server which is available right now is ours, right? It just shows some statistics out of it, right? So this is a very good dashboard. It is open sourced, that is why we are able to easily see it, right? And if I go to the buckets, I have created a bucket called user. So this is the same bucket which we are going to use it when we are going to create a program using the Spring Boot application, right? So this is how you can start a Couchbase database, right now the Couchbase database is started. We downloaded and we just opened the Couchbase database, and we have also set up a users bucket, right? I'm going to use this bucket in the next video in the example which we are going to create using Spring Boot. I hope you guys understood how we can download it and how we can set up Couchbase. Hope you liked it. If you liked the video, go ahead and like it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to it. Meet you again in the next video. Thank you very much.